I'm going to use this hardboard as my surface or canvas. I've painted it a very nice vintage cream color. I have this old print of bunnies and I had a laser copy print made. You can use an inkjet printer, but the image wouldn't be as clear and crisp, but maybe that's what you want, and it's always good to experiment. Hey presto, my bunnies have been cut out. Now I'm ready to apply the transfer gel. It's good to have a squeegee or a damp cloth at hand so you can remove all of the air bubbles and make sure the image is completely flat to the surface. Now to let that completely dry. It's a good idea to roughen up the dry surface of the paper with 220 to 500 grit sandpaper. This allows the water to seep into the image and you can remove the pulp a lot easier without rubbing. And sometimes if there's some stubborn little bits of paper on the image, I will use a little bit of sandpaper, but you have to be very, very careful. It's very fragile and it's a fiddly thing. We just have to spray mist the surface and remove the paper. You need to remember you won't get a perfect image using this process. There will be a few wee imperfections, but you have to embrace them, and I think it just makes it look a whole lot better. Here's another example of imperfections which I have exaggerated to make it look really old. The final step is to seal the image with clear coat or a clear top coat. Well, that was a lot of fun. Until the next project, bye for now.